Alright, so we're in Glen, New Hampshire. We're investigating a possible toy in the sewer line. So, got the door of mystery. A little dark inside there. Is it full of spiders? Is it scary?
Yeah, there's a big old spider on your arm.
On my arm?
Yeah, there's one right up here.
Oh. Yeah. Hey, big spider. Just stay there and you'd be happy.
Get your hand out of my nuts.
Alright, which way is that pipe running? Okay, there's a clean out there. I think, is that the bucket right over there somewhere? Only one thing to do, go in. Alright. We're inside. There's the barrel down there in the corner. Oh, there you go. Everybody loves those sanitary tees on their backs here. Wonderful. Down in this, okay, I see what they did over there. Alright, mass getting ready to come in. Alright, they gotta duck under that pipe. Any spiders down here? Stay away. Alright, so we got a rubber boot right there, so they just disconnected it from there. We'll send the camera down there. God knows what's in that bucket. Oh yeah, it's full of crap water. Awesome. There, I can see down the pipe there. And then there on the screen, looks like a bunch of wipes. Down there are paper towels, one of the two. What do we got on that? Gonna pull out and see what we got. Ooh, root.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Got a big ball of root on there. Yep, get rid of the roots, bring back. Do that.
Stop it!
Hey, go ahead, spin the chains. Well, we got it punched open right now. We're gonna go get a hose to flush that out. No toy inside that pipe. Heavy tree roots. A lot of toilet paper down inside there. That's what was clogging it up. So we're gonna flush it out, and then should be good to go for inspection. Matt's coming in with the hose. Gotta do the window under the pipe. comes the hose. There goes the water. That was close. Almost got a free splash on that one. No need for a doo-doo bath. Needs a good flushing. Wash all that debris out. Couldn't flush any toilets because of the disconnect right here. Alright, that's good. Oh, looks like I got blessed with a little bit of doo-doo splash. In Glen, New Hampshire, opened up the sewer line. The call came in as a possible toy down the sewer line. We didn't find any toy inside there, but we did find large tree roots and a large amount of paper buildup inside of here. A lot of roots growing into the tank. We opened up as much around the baffle area as we could and around the horizon part of the pipe as it dumps into the tank. We're coming back. There is PVC, and I believe there's some old Bermico that was left here. Part of the pipe is sagged here. You can see we're kind of going underwater a little bit. And we're coming out of it. Right here was a huge amount of tree roots that we had removed. Fell into the bucket. And there's your connection here, and a little turn around here so you know this is your place. That concludes the cleaning and inspection. Well, we got out of the crawl space, doo-doo, freckle and all. Nah, I shouldn't do that. Well, Matt doesn't know if I'm doing it or not. Yeah, that's the cure-all for everything. Stank water sewer juice. Rub it in your face. You look 20 years younger. You don't need any of those special creamers or nothing. But another successful mission. We keep New Hampshire flowing. This one was just chock blocked full of tree roots and a bunch of toilet paper. So we got them up running again, so they'll have usage for this weekend. We're in Glen, New Hampshire, and we'll see you at a house near you.